Hello everyone, this is Glaze. If you're new to this channel and want to learn English, please consider subscribing and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified and for more videos. What is the difference between every and each? We use each to refer individual things or persons in a group of two or more. Each is usually followed by a singular noun or by one. For example, each man has his limitations. We use each of before other determiners and before the plural object pronouns us, you, and them. For example, each of you will make a speech. When we use each of with a plural noun as a subject, it's normally followed by a singular verb. Example, each of the horses has won major international races. Each plus pronouns and possessives. We use each with plural pronouns and possessives, especially when we don't want to say he, she, women, men. For example, each member of the community should take pride in their local environment. Each referring to a subject. When we use each to refer to the subject of the clause, it usually appears in the normal mid position for adverbs, between the subject and the main verb, after the modal verb or first auxiliary verb, or after be as a main verb. For example, have you each signed the contract? We use every plus singular noun to refer individually to all the members of a complete group of something. For example, try to answer every question. We use every with a singular noun to refer to something that happens regularly. For example, I leave the house every morning at 7 a.m. Every day or every day. We write two words when every day means each day. The adjective every day is one word. It means normal or usual. Every day is an adjective. For example, he couldn't find his everyday black shoes. Everyday comes before the adjective black, but both describe the noun shoes. Every day is an adverbial phrase. For example, the cat rooms every day. The phrase every day describes the verb rooms by saying when it happens. We often use single with every day to emphasize each member of a complete group of people or things. For example, I've got to photocopy every single page. Everyone or everyone. Everyone written as one word means every person. For example, everyone enjoyed themselves. We use every one of before pronouns and determiners. For example, every one of you is special to me. Everyone is an indefinite pronoun that takes the place of nouns and noun phrases in a sentence. For example, I'd like to thank everyone for attending my birthday. Everyone is a noun phrase. One is a noun in the phrase and every is the modifier. It specifies that you are referring to each individual member of a group. For example, every one of these posters has a typo. We use every other to mean alternate. For example, she worked every other Saturday. For example, one Saturday she worked, the next Saturday she didn't work. The next Saturday she worked. We don't use every without a noun or without one. And we don't use every with a plural noun. That's all for now, guys. See you again on my next video. If you want more English lessons, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.